the problem? Constantly blown fuses, melted contacts, melted sockets, defective fuse boxes?
Sure, this has happened to all of us while screwing. We've wasted many fuses, but we have our nice, sustainable option, our circuit breakers. In this area, we can use our circuit breakers for currents from 5 to 250 amps, primarily for the Mini and Auto, but also for the larger models which are water resistant, but we'll get to that shortly.
Yes, replacing the fuses with the automatic circuit breakers also prevents the need to replace the constantly blown fuses. Saves time and money, doesn't it?
Exactly. In this area, we have shown you 3 alternatives. First, we have the one with the reset button, which is over here. Over there, we can reset it easily if it goes off.
Our second option is the one with a reset button, which also includes a manual control. This means I can manually disconnect my circuit at any time, just like at home with the circuit breaker in the fuse box. I can lock it again, yes, and this allows me to work properly during repairs and safely disconnect the circuit.
Sometimes there is also a safety factor involved. For example, if you say, I have the circuit de-energized, then of course it's good for me to be able to say that nothing will happen to me, I'm sure of it. And finally, we offer the bimetal type of circuit breakers. These breakers trip when they become too hot or are subjected to excessive strain. However, they automatically reset once they cool down. These are also partly available from the original equipment, OE, as they are initially installed in the OE. Furthermore, you have the option to purchase them from us for retrofitting or replacing them during repairs.
Yes, and of course we won't be the buddies if we don't also have a BuddyTip. For vehicle troubleshooting, we recommend our 2 repair ranges. In other words, we have the Mini here and we have the car here, the normal standard fuse. This means that when I'm troubleshooting a short circuit, I plug in my automatic machine. What advantage do I have? Firstly, if I insert a fuse into the faulty or short circuit, I always have arcing. As long as only this little flag burns away from the fuse, then everything is okay. But if, of course, it's the circuit breaker or the fuse box, then the damage would be greater. That's why we both recommend our 2 repair ranges with circuit breakers for repairing electrical systems.
That's right. If you'd like to learn more, we've added our link at the end of the text. You can explore the online catalog there to see everything that's available and what might be useful for you right now, meaning you can gather more information.
Yes, correct.